how the policemen have chained up and more breaking news coming in, big breaking news coming in, viewers. As far as Nepalese media sources, Oli is seeking help and he is probably getting into a temporary asylum in Dubai. Nepal Prime Minister seeks a temporary asylum in Dubai. That is big news coming in from the sources. Crisis only widening for the government. You know, the protester has sought that Nepal Prime Minister resigns. But it is now coming in from the side of the sources that Prime Minister KP Oli is seeking help. He's seeking a temporary asylum in Dubai. This is coming in, updates coming in from the Nepalese media sources that bring us these latest updates saying that Prime Minister Oli is seeking help, a temporary asylum in Dubai with the situation already in a very, very critical condition. Fresh violence has broken out. It is a political crisis that is only deepening with the second day today. The pressure is mounting on Prime Minister Oli, who has been asked to resign, who has been asked to step down. It is likely that he may resign, but no confirmation on that. But yes, as per sources from the Nepalese media, Prime Minister Oli, Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli is seeking help from Dubai. Seeking a temporary asylum in Dubai is what we are given to understand. Prime Minister Oli had earlier called in an emergency cabinet meeting to discuss the unrest which erupted after thousands of people, many including many who were wearing their school or college uniforms, they took to the streets yesterday and today as well. Nepal is burning, viewers. Kathmandu is burning with the anger of the students who have come out on the roads for the second day, as even though the curfew is in place, even though the curfew has been extended, there is no stopping for the protesters as they build in their pressure for the government. The protesters have
I am currently in Kathmandu, Nepal, where the protest is happening. अभी मैं मैती देवी में हूँ, जहाँ पे कल तक सब कुछ ठीक था, लेकिन अभी इस टाइम पे हर रोड पे, हर एक गली के बाहर पे आग लगी हुई है और लोग ऐसे खड़े हैं, नारेबाजी कर रहे हैं अगेंस्ट द गवर्नमेंट. I'll show you some clips over here. I am currently in Kathmandu, Nepal, where the protest is happening. अभी मैं मैती देवी में हूँ, जहाँ पे कल तक सब कुछ ठीक था, लेकिन अभी इस टाइम पे हर रोड पे, हर एक गली के बाहर पे आग लगी हुई है और लोग ऐसे खड़े हैं, नारेबाजी कर रहे हैं अगेंस्ट द गवर्नमेंट. I'll show you some clips over here.